Remember when they hate, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you, and you didn't fall through. Now you hit yourself and look at me, You made it.
And what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? So before we get this video started, let me just say that this is an entirely new camera setup. I'm testing this out. So currently I am using the new GoPro 12. It has the, what is this, the 2.0 max lens mod. I actually had like my in-car footage that I usually get. I usually use my other camera that has the older style, but the cool part is this new lens mod allows you to use the max lens mod, and it actually goes up to 4K, whereas before it would only go up to like 2 point something. So now that we're able to use the max lens mod with the 4K image quality, I'm about to be testing this camera out all day. So I'm hoping that this video quality is gonna be better. And just a little brief kind of like insider, I've literally been nerding out looking at a bunch of different camera options and stuff like that, but I think I may possibly be buying a one of those like good ass Sony cameras that, you know, do all the blurred background and stuff, because for the last couple years since I've been doing YouTube, I started with my iPhone, then I switched over to this little, you know, the GoPros. Yeah, I've used the 7, the 8, the 9, the 10, skipped the 11, and then here we are with the 12. But man, no one has ever like complained about the image quality or how the visuals look on the videos, but I think, man, at this point I do want to get like an actual legit dope ass cameraman. That way we can just get super good visual quality just for y'all, man. Like I said, I'm looking. That's gonna be something I'm probably gonna be ordering this week, so y'all probably gonna see a drastic change in the image quality. But you know, I am gonna be testing this out today. I'm going to be going to pick up the swing thing, but I also got some family stuff to do. So feel me, for my people that are like hardcore subscribers and viewers that are always watching, let me know, what do y'all think of the video quality in today's video. I'm gonna be going around doing a bunch of different things. Yeah, man, I really want y'all opinions, because you know, at the end of the day, I'm really trying to increase the quality of this shit for y'all. So please let me know in the comments below. If you can, go back to the last video or a couple videos ago and just compare the image quality, and let me know if y'all like this wide angle view, because now y'all can actually, you know, get more in the frame and all that stuff. So with all that being said, man, let's jump into today, and we're gonna be testing this camera. And just for preference, let you guys know that everything that you see today will be coming from this camera. It's definitely wider coming through the hallways and stuff. Hi, mamas. Hi, Bubba. Hi. Hi, that's big girl. Give me that. This definitely gives like a super wide view. I kind of like it. See a lot in here. Starbucks. And we got parts that arrived. These are for the Viper. So did my research on some stuff on Vipers, and I guess on hard acceleration and cornering, these things tend to toe in a little bit on the rear. And since the arm is kind of thinner than the newer generation Vipers, sometimes that arm end up breaking, because that's where the toe is coming from the arm flexing. So I got these toe eliminators that's gonna be going in the back of the Viper. Also, you know what I'm saying, little cosmetic stuff with the clear lights. And then we have the fuel rails, fuel pressure regulator, all going on the swings thing, but we'll talk about all that stuff, you know, later. Anywho, let's get ready. What the, woo! She opened the door and the light from the door reflected in and damn near blinded me. Yeah, I lost my train of thought. Alright, so this looks like outside. Nice and bright, colors look good on here. Look, she captures everything. Hella wide. Alright, so I'm making a quick pit stop to White Aaron's house. If you guys seen the last video, you guys know that me and Black Aaron went over to SoCal, and I ended up picking up some seats for one of my cars, and also got some seats for Aaron's car. So coming over here, drop these off real quick. Oh, these seats are hella light though. Look at that. Shh. Look at that. One hand, man.
They work a little like this, or give you another one.
Look, seat so light, even a baby mama can grab it.
You act like I'm not strong.
In my defense, my baby mama is hella strong. She be hitting the gym like a nigga. Like that girl strong. Oh, fuck it. Come on, Aaron. You gotta trim this bush, yo. You gotta trim that. Here, we'll set these right here at his door. That way he gets a nice little surprise when he comes home. Make sure it's blocking the door fully. There you go.
Does it know better?
You welcome, Aaron.
Does it know better?
Man, this wide angle lens captures so much. It's definitely wider than what I usually shoot in. So, you know, I think y'all are getting a bit more in the frame right now. Usually I shoot with a wide lens, but it's never this wide. First things first, before we go pick up the swing stain, we're about to be taking little mamas to a pumpkin patch. That's where we are right now. So we're gonna be seeing how this little setup does. Just, yeah, this point of today. And then we're gonna go pick it up. You ready? Give me this. Can I have some? I can have it? Why, thank you. No, don't want it? Okay. Alright, we're up in here in the pumpkin patch. We got my boy KJ, his kids, his wife. Pumpkins everywhere. So we're gonna see what's all up in here. Can't have no food, we on keto. Should we take her over there to jump? Kaya, you always jumping in the room. You wanna jump, baby?
She gonna get trampled.
You wanna jump? Look, she looking, she like, I'm trying to jump too. Just go ahead. We're gonna throw her in the middle somewhere. She'll just be flopping around.
Some kids gonna step on her face.
Still trying to figure out how I feel about this lens. I feel like in settings like this where there's a lot going on, it just makes everything look smaller. So for something like this, I'd probably just use a regular lens versus the wide lens. But you know, we'll continue to try this out. All right, let's try this thing out and see how it does. It's just like a panning camera real quick. Get a low pan. Oh, let's pan this way. That way the sun's not in there. Close. All right, May's time. I think this is where this lens is gonna probably do pretty good, where things are kind of closer around to you, so it's gonna give you a wider field of view, see hella in the frame. But when everything's scattered like over here, looks kind of funky. See, this is where this lens does pretty good at with the wide angle.
Michelle! No, fam. Oh!
Pretty sure we didn't. Almost got lost already. Man, is this a shortcut? Is this a legal way to go? Should we not go through here? I mean, it's wide. We through here.
Go ahead.
Improvising. Alright, so a little insider. We currently following my boy KJ. For those that don't know KJ, little insider. My nigga KJ believes the earth is flat. He is one of those. We argue probably for like, he'll send me shit randomly, be like, bro, look, the earth is flat. For somebody who believes the earth is flat, he showed us how it's going in a lot of circles right about now. I feel like we cheating the maze, we going through corn stalks. And I just want to let y'all know, if y'all watching this, man, the earth ain't flat.
Send help.
KJ is delusional.
There's not even a way out.
Nigga, you just cut through the corn stalk. Where you thought we was gonna go?
No, but everything's back that way.
That was the illegal route right there.
What's up with you? Look just like your damn dad.
She believes the earth is round too.
She know the earth is
Baby.
flat to her.
Baby, don't talk to him. Don't talk to him, baby. He's gonna brainwash you. Keep watching Miss Rachel. Alright, so we got Nita's twin sister right here.
Hey, hold on.
Look, there you go.
This is my first baby.
What's good, fool? How you been?
This is my second baby. This Kaya's little baby brother cousin.
Alright, so we jumping on this thing by the right around the farm or something.
Next.
What happened?
We're on.
Oh. Damn, we was right there. Filled up. We was this close. Let me see the back of your shirt.
There's another one right there, okay guys?
Coming from the dude that got 2 kids. Alright, we on a hay one. About to go around the farm, check on the ducks and the chickens. Ready? Cannon gun. 2, 1.
It's gonna go 3 days, but I have my phone back. Come on.
Alright, man, so I was supposed to be going to D's garage and picking up the swing stain and doing a little bit of car stuff, but turns out that I literally hit D and I was like, hey D, can you do me a favor before I come pick up the car? I was like, can you mount the seat brackets down, because, you know, previous place that I was at didn't really bolt them down, and, you know, the seat was always moving. So D goes in there to get ready to mount the seats down, and the reason why the seat's moving is because, you know, they broke the bracket. So instead of picking it up, now D has to have his fab dude weld the seat up, fix it, because they literally broke one of the mounts and bent the other mount. So, you know, D's gonna take care of that. More fixing fuckery. But the dude that's supposed to be coming to do my garage is on the way. So I'm gonna start moving stuff around, putting stuff in totes and getting this cleaned out. That way he can, you know what I'm saying, do my walls. Then after that, we're gonna be doing the ceiling. I'm gonna probably still use these same lights because I love having motion sensor lights, and I pull into the garage at night, the lights just cut on automatically for me. So we'll be keeping these, probably just mounting them up to the ceiling because they do have mounting provisions and all that shit. And then once all this is done, I get my cabinets and stuff up so I can hang part or put, no longer hang parts, I can throw parts in the cabinets, and then I can get my floor epoxy. Let me start moving some stuff around and cleaning some stuff up. Whoo, them NRG seats though. All right, starting to get everything off these walls and out of these crevices. So need to go to the shopping, or need to go to Home Depot, grab some materials, and then we'll throw y'all on the time lapse when it's just starts going down.
Oh, I tell her get low, gon' rock with me. You gon' mess around now and get a shopping spree. I'm now in your possession like apostrophe. Oh, enough with all the talking, I just told her say less and do more, do more, do more, do more. Oh, I tell her do more, do more, do more, do more. Go ahead, set the mood right, dirty like a fool fight. You been working all day, load it up in 2 nights. Do more, do more, do more, do more. Oh, I tell her, and she gon' work that round. I'ma mess around and drown when she drop that down. Now my phone be blowing up, I like not right now. Oh, I swear that she in next the way she work that mouth. Whoa, automatic cause she move, she be cousin static. I be straight up like an addict, might be coming at it. Now I gotta have it, had enough with all the moves, yeah, move here. Ooh, let me grab it, now I'm on 1 year. Now I'm not done yet, told her wait right here. I'll be back one set, this is just time out, this is not no way. Go and grab that friend, then you know what's next. Stay. You been rockin' with an all-star, baby, and I know you coming early like a 5-star, baby. Packing out the seat, this ain't no hostile, baby, and they know me in the city like a mob star. I tell her get low, gon' rock with me. You gon' mess around now and get a shopping spree. I'm now in your possession like apostrophe. Oh, enough with all the talking, I just told her say less and do more, do more, do more, do more. Oh, I tell her do more, do more, do more, do more. Go ahead, set the mood right, dirty like a fool fight. You been
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fuck the niggas hating on. I've been on the come up, you can go to speed, but it's better if you run up.